Hello, good morning, class thirds. So, today we will start a new chapter. But before that, I want to ask you, students, have you completed chapter 1? Do you write all the questions? I hope you all have written all the question answer in your fair notebook. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here you can see I am opening the book. So this is chapter 2 on your screen. You can see this is chapter 2 and this is a poem. That means the title of the poem is I Asked the Little Boy Who Cannot See. So when you read the title, something comes in your mind that this poem is about a child and the child is little, and one more thing is that he cannot see. That means he can not see the things. So the ponder activity is that think and write as many words as possible to do with the 5 senses. So this is the activity. You should do it yourself. It means 2 activities are given on page number 20. In the first activity, you have to think and write. You have to think about the given sense and write as many as words you can do. So first one is a picture of nose. We know what is the work of nose. What is the work of our nose? So you can write here 2 blank spaces are given. First one is this and second is this one. So you need to write 2 things about sense organ. First one is nose. What is the function of nose? That means smell and also breathe. So these are the 2 functions of our nose. Second, the same thing you can do with the next and then again the next one. Then do the same with all the 5 sense organs. Next is, why don't you have a try at writing a poem about your senses? Try something like this. So first, filling the blank is, I love to feel dash. I love to hear dash. I love to see dash. I love to taste dash. I love to smell, but I hate to dash. So this is the homework. This is the activity which you have to do. I will tell you the answer in the next video. So now we will know about the fact. Did you know the fact is given? First one is a picture of eye lenses of a fly. That means flies have 3000 lenses in each eye. So you can see 2 eyes are there and each eye contains 3000 lenses. How many lenses? 3000. This is the reason why fly don't move the eyeball, because there are already 3000 lenses in the eye. So there is here you can see fly can see in all the directions. Next is hawk. Can you see clearly about 8 times as far as humans can? This is the quality of hawks. Hawks can see 8 times clearer than humans. It means clearer than us. They can quickly shift their focus and zoom in on their prey. So they can use this specialty to catch their prey. So this is the quality of these two creatures. First one is all about flies. We know that there are 3000 lenses, and second is hawk can see 8 times as more clear than human beings. So have you observed the food being cooked in the kitchen? How do you think your 5 senses combine to give you a complete experience? So let's start today's class. Today I will tell you how to read the poem. So on page number 21 you can see a beautiful poem is given. So here you can see, I asked the little boy who cannot see. I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? So here I miss the poet who is writing this poem. It means I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? Why green, said he. I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? Why green, said he. Is like the rustle when the wind blows through. Is like the rustle when wind blows through. The forest running water that is blue. The forest running water that is blue. And red is like a trumpet sound, and pink. And red is like a trumpet sound, and pink is like the smell of roses, and I think. Is like the smell of roses, and I think. That purple must be like a thunderstorm. That purple must be like a thunderstorm. And yellow is like something soft and warm. And yellow is like something soft and warm. And white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. And white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. So we completed the pronunciation of each and every word. So now I'm going to explain you the stanza. So here you can see the poet is asking to the little boy who is already blind. Now the question of the poet is that, what is color like? What is color like? So you can see here the picture of 3 friends are given, and one of the friend is a little boy who is blind, and the poet, or on the behalf of a boy, here the boy is asking to the little boy, what is color like? How do you feel about the color? How can you recognize the color? How will you identify the color? This is the first question which is asked by the poet to the little boy. So, why green, said he. Why green, said he. After hearing this, the little boy replied, green. And now the question again, the boy is asking, or the poet is asking to the blind boy, the boy who cannot see. Here the question is why? Green is like the rustle when the wind blows through. And in response of this question, the little blind boy saying that green is just like a rustle. So what is the meaning of the rustle? When the wind blows, and when the wind blows or breeze blows, the movement of the leaves produce a sound, and that sound is known as a rustle. That means the sound made by leaves when the wind blows through them, that is called rustle, is like the rustle when the wind blows through. Next, the forest running water, that is blue. Now here you can see the little boy is explaining his experience and saying that he seems the green color when he hears the rustle sound or the rustle, and the running water of the forest seems to him like blue. We already know the color of water is blue. And what is means red? Here a red is like a trumpet sound. So here trumpet sound, the sound produced by the elephants is called trumpet sound or a bugle type sound. So the boy is saying that for me, green is like a rustle, blue is like a running water, and red is like a sound of trumpet. And what about the pink? Now here you can see little boy is saying that pink is like a smell of roses. Here pink color, the color pink shows the smell of roses, and I think that purple must be thunderstorm. So here you can see purple. Why the boy is saying purple is like a thunderstorm? So when the thunderstorming was happening or is happening, you can see that it starts with white light. It starts with a white light, but when we see it, it clearly seen that white light changes into here purple. In anger, purple denotes the thunderstorm, and yellow is like something soft and warm, just like the wings of sunflower. Have you seen the flower sunflower? Yellow is the wings of sunflower, just like soft and warm, and white is a pleasant stillness. Here pleasant stillness means this is a feeling, this is the pleasant feeling of experiencing the peacefulness. Peacefulness denotes the color white when you lie and dream. So that's it. These are the experiences which the little boy is sharing to the poet or to the boy when the boy said, I asked the little boy who cannot see. So keep in mind, children, the pupil who cannot see, they lost the one ability, but instead of this ability, they have so many qualities, just like feel of sense, touch, smell, hear, and taste. So here this story is all about the little boy who cannot see. So in the next video, I will show you the question answer of this chapter. So today's homework is you have to do the activities given on page number 20 in your book, and also you have to write 8 lines of this poem in your fair notebook and draw beautiful picture of the 3 friends, the little boy, a girl and a boy. So that's it. Have a nice day.